So I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to enable swipe typing on the keyboard of this watch. So let's go to anywhere you'd like to type, let's say in messages, and you launch the keyboard. If you want to be able to swipe to type like this, instead of just tapping on single letters, simply launch the keyboard, and then you should see this little white line at the bottom here. Use that to swipe up, and that takes you into the menu. Now you should see this icon here. If you tap on it, it basically allows you to swipe and type. Okay, so tap on the check mark, and then now you can start swiping to type. So there, oven space is not hot. All right, let's try that again. Thanks. Space for space yesterday. Thanks for yesterday. And you can see swipe typing works, and it works just fine. Okay, so you can use that to type messages and send. So that's basically how to use swipe typing on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.